To get TikTok Shop, you need to meet the platform's eligibility criteria and follow a series of steps. First, ensure your TikTok account is a business account, as this feature is only available to business users. To switch to a business account, go to your profile, tap the three dots, and select Manage Account. Then switch to Business Account. Fill in the required information, including your business name, email, and phone number. Next, apply for TikTok Shop through the Seller University portal. You can find this portal by searching for Seller University on the TikTok app or website. Create an account, complete the registration form, and provide the necessary documents to verify your business. After submitting your application, wait for approval from TikTok. This process may take a few days, and you will receive an email notification once your application is approved. Once approved, set up your TikTok Shop by adding products, descriptions, and prices. You can also customize your shop's appearance and add a profile picture and bio. To start selling, create a product listing by tapping the plus icon, selecting product, and filling in the product details. You can also connect your existing e-commerce platform to TikTok Shop to streamline your sales process. Best practices for using TikTok Shop include posting high-quality product images, writing detailed product descriptions, and utilizing hashtags to increase visibility. Engage with your customers by responding to comments and messages promptly. And use TikTok's analytics tool to track your performance and optimize your strategy. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully get TikTok Shop and start selling your products to the platform's large and active user base. Remember to always follow TikTok's terms and conditions, and provide excellent customer service to build a strong reputation and drive sales.